What a lovely day for thrifting.
Here we go, it's all about you.
Okay, so tip number 1 is to grab yourself a cart. Make sure preferably it doesn't have it in it, but this one looks good. I like going for the big carts because I overpick. Rachel got a little cart. Okay. Alright, so as we can see here, we have my lovely cart. And today versus yesterday, I'm going to try and be more organized. So it just kind of helps with the elimination process at the end. So I have everything hanging here. Nothing's going to fall off. Nothing's going to freaking drag like my voice right now. I'm dragging out my voice so long. By the end of this, I'm literally going to have no voice. This is going to be the most annoying video to watch. So hang in there. Okay. You should do tip.
I looked at one last night.
The Jean Queen right here.
Love these. And then I found these ones. These are by a brand called Penman, and I've had a pair of shorts from
Penman?
them. Yeah, Penman.
I've heard of them.
Shorts from them. And they like just always do this like cool.
They have a good fit.
Like, look how cute. It's
Very
so
cute.
urban.
Yes, Rachel brought up another really important tip, which is to always kind of, like, if you have the time, go through all the sections, all the sizes, because the amount of times that we've found amazing jeans or anything else in a section that wasn't our size, it's pretty crazy because just A, people are putting stuff back as they're going and they don't really care where they're putting it, and B, like, sometimes things just get misjudged because of sizing. So check all of the sections, people. Don't get lazy.
Something to believe because I'm running wild, I ain't running free. Still got a lot of shit left to see. Stuck in this town, and the town's stuck in me. Always trying to find.
Was I not recording again? Touching on that point again, if it didn't record. You always have to check every section, guys. Oh, tight squeeze. Shop in the men's, shop in the ladies. Things get misplaced, and honestly, cross-shopping, like, all the sections, you're gonna get a way bigger variety. I buy like 85% of my stuff probably in the men's section. People like shopping in the little boys section too, and the little girl section. Over here, but I usually don't really find anything that fits me, so look where I am. I'm in the shoe section, and I actually picked up 2 pairs already, and one of my New Year's resolutions, thrifting goals, was to start looking at shoes, so here I am, guys. Also, this is the section right now for the trendy small shades. I'm pretty sure I had this exact pair from like the Gap or something when I was little. That rhinestone detail if we ever focus. No, not today. I'm into this and the colors of it, but it's just so big. So gotta be realistic with yourselves, guys. A good tip is to look at the armpit hole and just like think if that's gonna expose a little too much and if it's gonna be flattering and stick out. So even though I like this, it's not coming home with me. It's my rack. Oh my god. What is going on? It sounds like a bird, actually. I know. Okay, so here we have one of those lovely go back racks. You can see we have a nice Guess sweater. I probably won't pick that up. Some feline print because I still don't know which animal that is. Lots of good stuff. This square neckline is also very in right now, but I'm not into that belt. Nice vintage knit. This honestly looks like a knit that you would find like at Aritzia or something. I don't know that brand, but it's Nordic and it looks really vintage and cute. Common myth is that people only donate really like used, stained white t-shirts and basics, but perfect example, this t-shirt looks absolutely like brand new. It's crispy white. And it's $5, so it'd be $2.50 on sale. So definitely if you're in need of basics, just check them out. This is very Brandy Melville-esque, this little...
Oh yeah. Oh, completely.
Look, there's 2. We could get them both. Okay, I kind of want them both now. This is very Urban Outfitters Reformation-y right now. Might get it, might not. I have too many mesh things, but this polka dot is so cute. And we're moving on. Next tip is to really sort through your stuff. I personally grab like everything that I think has potential, and then after I just kind of go through and look and see if there's any holes or any stains or missing zippers and stuff like that. anything that's like not fully in good condition, or those maybe items, because I find it's better to just gather everything and then you see at the end like what you're lacking, and if you know you have two of something that's very similar, I just find it a lot easier that way. So we found ourselves a nice little corner over here in the home department, and we're gonna get to sorting. Should I do a time lapse?
Another reason to leave, but we sit at home all alone. Hoping one day I'll never be known, 'cause I'm stuck on the bottom trying to feel on top. Wishing everything would just come to a stop.
Also, pro tip, don't leave your camera like hidden in secret places, because sometimes people might think that the camera's for sale, so just watch out, folks. Being selective is important because we just went through all of this stuff right here, condensing 2 carts into one. Yeah. And I really wanted this jacket because it's giving me that Zara Moto jacket vibe, but there's a really crusty stain. Okay, but those I can clean. Here's the difference, guys. Sunglasses, crusty, but you can easily wipe those off. This like faux suede-ish material, how the heck am I gonna clean that? So just be picky, you gotta be a little picky, like even though it's only like $4.50, I don't think I can take it just because that stain is really nasty. So, all right, so another tip of mine would be to wait. Don't try things on, but just like wait near the change room section on the go backs. Is that what they call it? A go backs rack? Because sometimes, you know, if people have good taste, they get something, but like it doesn't fit them. Good pair of jeans, good jacket, whatever. And I was saying go backs because of Brandy, and I'm like, wait, does everybody say that? But yeah, it's a good way to like just kind of sift through a more selected array of items. Very good to have an open mind about like reworking things. Personally, this is like a dress with this really frou-frou stuff at the bottom. I probably would not wear it, but I was thinking if you whip out the sewing machine and then just like crop this, it's a very trendy bustier style top. I mean, these cups are kind of aggressive, but I'm personally gonna pass on it. Just wanted to mention to you guys because it's 12 bucks on sale, but that could be something cute. So you just gotta have an open mind. Look at this gem that just got put onto the go backs rack. I'm really tempted. Annie, can you get it? Yeah. Thank you, good friend. It's $9. All right, something that I want to stress to you guys, even though I know I just picked up a Tommy top and a Levi's top, just pretty much because I know they're good quality and because of the label, but have an open mind to other labels that you haven't heard of before. Like this yellow sweater really caught my eye. It's by New York Stitches, which I don't know what that brand is, but it feels really nice quality. It's different. I know no one's really gonna have this because like, where the heck would they have gotten it? And my nose is dripping, so I'm gonna go down. We're doing our sorting again. Found a lovely little seated section over here. So while we're here sorting, I had a couple of tips about like sizing stuff if you don't want to try things on. First of all, always wear a comfy outfit that you can throw jackets and stuff over top of. I can't even talk anymore. The first tip that I mentioned in that other clip is to do the neck waist thing with pants, because oftentimes if something fits around your waist, or the waistline fits around your neck, then it's gonna fit your waist, which is a good little hack. Also check always the armpits, and if there's any like pilling or holes on any of the seams, that's a big area where like people often donate things because they're not like in perfect condition anymore. So we're leaving some lovely finds behind, but it's for the best because we have a ton of stuff in here.
Cause we're trying to fill the holes in our souls, so trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top, wishing everything would just come to a stop.